Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Loaded with features. Features also include navigation system, sync, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof. With these ratings, come test drive the 2018 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, anti-lock braking system, traction control, power passenger seat, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, home link garage door opener, cruise control, floor mats. Come take a test drive today.